Hello viewers, today we are unboxing the air styler brought to us by Dyson, and it is called the Dyson Airwrap I.D, and it comes with 6 attachment and the Bluetooth connectivity. From the box itself you can see what it enables you with. You can dry, curl, shape or smooth and hide flyaways of the hairs, and here the box shows various technical aspects of this particular product. So it does comes with a new 40 mm and a 20 mm air wrap barrel, which we will have a look over shortly. The motor itself is brought to us by Dyson, which runs at 110k rpm and that produces the 3.2 kilopascals of pressure. Now the intelligent heat control regulates the air and temperature 40 times. It comes with a My Dyson app, Bluetooth connectivity. We do have a removable filter option in this, and it all comes with a 2-year guarantee on parts and labor. On the other side of the box are the details of quick and easy connection steps that you might need to take when you're connecting this particular dryer with the My Dyson mobile application available over the Play Store and App Store. And those were some details of the manufacturer of it and the distributor of it in India. And we begin by opening the seal of it, and it took a while for us to get the box out of the packaging, and that's how it looks. It looks quite premium and the feel is good. It's of somewhat this size, as you can see, in comparison to the hand. Okay, now let's unbox this. The first documentation is quite evident, that how we can set our phone over the lid and get ourselves started. Following which you have a documentation where how you can connect it with the My Dyson app, which is available over the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. The documentation was a folded paper, so I have just opened it and just recorded it for your reference. After which we have the attachments. The first one is the dryer and a flyaway smoother, and following which we have the large round volumizing brush, followed by the new soft smoothing brush. All of them have the Dyson brand labeled. After this we have the fast dryer. Like, this is just the usual dryer attachment brought to us by Dyson. And now comes the new 40 mm long barrel air wrap. And the final one is the new 20 mm air wrap barrel. This is in a conical shape. After which we also see one filter cleaner. Okay, now you can see it has brush and bristles from inside. To understand the use of each and every attachment that this product has, I have copied a screenshot and the details of it from the official Dyson website, and they are as follows. So you might want to pause the video and see what they will be used for as per your required hairstyle. And obviously we have the presentation case for storing it. Okay, now let's hop over to see the main unit, which has the Dyson motor blower. The first thing we see are the etchings over the Dyson paper packaging. So we can tear it, and there's an opening for the motor blower. That's how you open it. You can always just tear that packaging apart. Okay, that's how it looks with the first impressions. At the bottom of it you see the Bluetooth symbol along, I think that's an LED, and at the top you have the fan control, then you have the power control and the temperature control sliders. At the bottom of it, this is the filter, and at the back side of it there is a lock and unlock latch, which will be used somewhat like this to attach a given attachment, and obviously you have to do the reverse to remove it once you're done with your styling stuff. So this is how the color and the overall dimensions of the products are. Obviously keep this motor exhaust or motor blower protected. Here are some extra zoom shots of the product that I took just for you to have a better and a clearer view of it. Do not forget to register your machine, or I would say this particular product, into the Dyson's official website. Talking of some very specific items like the power rating, this one was the one that we ordered for India, and it runs on 230 volts 50 hertz and consumes 1300 watts of power. Here one documentation was also there, so you might want to pause the video just to understand what all it comes with. And this is the reverse side of it. Beneath the main unit itself, we had one more documentation, and that was for regulatory compliance and safety information. And that was all about unboxing this Dyson product. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If it helped you to understand the net contents of this packaging and what all it comes with, do give a like and subscribe my channel for the next ones.